Hi and welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to be installing Flask. Flask is a library that works with our Python installation and is what's going to let us create our REST APIs. Python is really great for installing libraries because it's really easy to install libraries, as long as the library has been enabled to work with the central library management system in Python. This central system is accessed via a command called pip. Pip is what allows us to easily install libraries in Python. There are other ways of installing libraries too, but fortunately Flask works with pip, so it's really easy. Normally, you should just use pip. However, because some students may have multiple Python versions installed, if you do pip only, that will install packages and libraries in your Python 2.7 installation if you have Python 2.7 installed. Therefore, I recommend you do pip 3.5 install Flask. Apologies, Flask with a lowercase, that's important. Pip 3.5 install Flask. And when we do this, we're going to install Flask for our Python installation, and this is going to be the latest version of Flask. So just press enter, and then that will install it. In my case, I've already got it installed, so it's saying requirement already satisfied. But when you run pip 3.5 install Flask, it will install 6 different libraries. Flask being one of them, Workzoid being another one, It's Dangerous, Click, Ginger2, and Markup Safe. They're all really useful parts of Flask, and we will explore them in due time. Once that's done, you're ready to continue. So congratulations. Now let's go back into Atom and let's create our first Flask application. I'll see you there.